everyone, it's DSG Panther here. Today I am doing a POV drive, and today we're going to be driving home from my work. I'm nowhere near it, I'm literally like 10 minutes away, but I just thought I'd do a little POV drive. So without further ado, let's get into it and let's get on the road. So yeah, I just thought today I'll do a little POV drive on my way home, just so you guys can see, I don't know, how I drive on my way home. That doesn't really make any sense at all, but I just thought I'd do a little POV drive. Since now I've got the GoPro, I really like making GoPro content now that I've got a decent GoPro, if that makes any sense. But yeah, we're gonna make some cool GoPro content. But yeah, I'm in my car today. I'm not in the Supra, I'm in my car. I've also got some other people. Actually, since after the Supra video, I've actually had a lot of people asking for their cars to be in my videos. So that is amazing, but there's too many. So we need to narrow it down a bit, or I just need to take my time and do it one by one, because there's so many cars to choose from and it's a bit chaotic. So you're gonna have to give me time with cars and that, people. It will take me a bit of time to choose what cars I want on the channel, because there's a lot of you guys, which I'm thankful for. I'm not saying I'm not thankful for, but it's just gonna take some time to get people's cars on the channel, because it takes a lot of time. I've got to drive to them, I've got to edit all the videos, I've got to do a lot of things just to even get you on the channel. So yeah, I'm not making a lot of money, so I'm not making my money back from any of these videos. So yeah, well, that's why I'm doing the GoPro video today, just because it makes sense, and I'm driving home anyway. So you know what I mean, it made sense to drive home. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Now I've been thinking about this for a very long time. Audi S3, woof. I've been thinking about this for a very long time, doing a Polo GTI meet. But I say Polo GTI, more like a DSG Panther meet. So it'd be mostly Volkswagens, but any VAG car can come, S3s, RS3s, you know what I mean, like any of the big boy whips can come. Obviously I would like to have a couple of Polo GTIs there. I do know a couple of people in Kent with Polo GTIs anyway, so it's not really a problem. But yeah, I would mainly like it to be Polos or just GTIs in general, but I can't do that because otherwise no one would turn up. So we're gonna make it, we're literally gonna make this a DSG Panther link up, and we're gonna have a lot of people turning up. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I don't want this guy to see me because I look like a fucking bell end right now. Let's put it in sport, and I don't think there's any police down here, which I don't want to curse you, but I've got Waze on, so we should be alright. And the car behind me is a little Toyota, and that is a rental car, so fingers crossed. Don't know what that is there, but I don't really care. I mean, I don't know why he thinks he's faster than me, but my guy thought he was so fast. What the hell? He literally thought he was so quick. What? He actually just tried that. He actually just tried to get me in your rental whip, mate. Don't even, bruv. Actually tried that in a rental whip. That's crazy. How can he try that? But yeah, back to the meet. I don't know if you, let me know what you guys think I should do, because I know a lot of my following is Polo GTIs, but I feel like also a big chunk of you guys are VAG owners or German car owners. So I feel like a DSG Panther meet would make more sense, because anyone with a German car can turn up. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Polo GTI meet or GTI meet or just DSG Panther meet, and then any VAGs can turn up to the meet. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you do get to this part in the video. Probably not, but if you do, let me know in the comments, because then I know what to do. This guy is driving at 10 miles an hour. It's a fault. To be fair, he's actually doing 40. Do you know what? It's bad having a fast car, because you just want to drive over the speed limit all the time. It's so bad. Do you know what? It's quite bad having a fast car. Like, even when I drove my dad's Supra for that YouTube video, it's like, I'm not gonna say I was speeding, but you wanted to get up to the speed limit for YouTube purposes. I wanted to get up to the speed limit very quickly. Now I feel like if I didn't have a fast car, or a car that was loud or anything like that, I wouldn't really want to drive that quick. But it's just the fact that you've got a loud car and it's got, you know, it's got a lot of horsepower, so you want to push it, you want to push the engine. So I don't know if it's that, because like, listen to that, that is so loud, isn't it? So of course it's going to make you want to drive fast, but I don't know, it's just one of them ones, isn't it? Like, I guess it's just the nature of being a car boy in the car scene. You want to drive fast, you want to beat everyone. I think that was an M240i there. Was that an M240? Oh, AMG C63, is that W204? I think it is, the older ones are W204s. But yeah, that was nice. I like the M240s. Fucking hell. Yeah, my exhaust is blown at the moment, so I had like some people fitting it, but they didn't really fit it properly, so I've kind of had to get it taken off. Is that an M140 on the, oh no, it's a 3 Series. That's a Touring. I thought that was an M140 on the back of a pickup van. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me, but bloody hell, it's been mashed up, that has. But yeah, it's just I'm trying to find things to do with content, because I know that there's not many people with Polo GTIs in the UK, so trying to do content on my car is really hard, because when you type in Polo GTI, I'm the only person that comes up. When you type in M140 or Golf R, so many people come up, and I don't know if that's better or worse, because my most viewed video on one of these on my car is like 8K, and that is probably everyone in the UK that has a Polo GTI. Like, do you get what I mean? It's a bit like, I don't know. So whatever car I get next, I'm not gonna say what it is, but it will probably be an M140. I can't lie. But yeah, whatever car I get next, it's going to be a bit more popular, but not to the point where it's super. I mean, if I get an M140, that has literally been done everywhere, but I think you guys understand what I mean. But like, if you type in M140, I mean, when I do a video with an M140, I'll see how well it does, and then I will get an understanding of, should I have just bought an M140. But obviously the insurance on that car is like, it's stupid money on an M140. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's like over like 7 grand. I think it was 8 grand when I had 1 year's no claims, and I've got a bit more no claims. But I know this is a bit boring and we're on the motorway today. We're not ragging it for once, but I guess it lets you guys have an idea of my commute on the way home, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so it's not the most fun commute, I'll be honest. It's pretty boring. It's all just motorways, and I think this is an undie, but you know, we move. But yeah, it's not the most fun commute on the way home. It's just literally motorway the whole time, but it is what, isn't it? I think this is the M240 here. Is it an M240? I don't know. Is it just a 2 Series? I can't work it out. It looked like an M240 because it had 2 exhausts on it, but I don't know. Let's get, nah, it's a normal 2 Series. You're not tricking me today, but that's more to the reason why I feel like, yeah, it's a 218i. I could literally just buy a 118i and just stick a B58 in it, and it'll probably, I don't know if it would be cheaper, but it would probably be quite funny to be fair. If I had an M140, I'd put the 140i, no, the 118i on the 140, the badge. That would be fucking jokes. You know, if someone comes up to you and is like, yo, I'll gap you on your 118i, you're faking 140, and you've just got like a fat B58 with like 500 brake, stage 2 in it. That'd be crazy. But yeah, that's something I would like to do, because it'd just be funny trolling people. I think I've actually seen someone on Instagram do that. But yeah, oh my god, this is the worst part of the M20 on my way home. Honestly, it's always queuing all the way here. It's foreign lorries. There's always been an accident because of foreign lorries. It's just, I don't know, it's just so sketch. Like being right next to this prick right here, I don't want to be here, because look, that guy's gonna hit me. I don't want to be near him, do you get me? It's sketchy as fuck, but it is what it is, isn't it? You gotta commute home at some point. Right, let's give it one more fart before I end the video. See what I mean? It's so loud now, it's mad. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end it here, guys. I'm almost home now anyway. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what other content you want to see. And I just heard someone floor it, but I don't know what car it was. Sound like a V8. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.